Hey, my name is Zareen, Admissions Manager here at Wagon. So our Wagon application process is super simple. Step 1, you apply online with some basic information about yourself, sharing your motivation and why you want to join us at Wagon. Step 2, attend an interview with myself or a member of our Wagon admissions team to discuss your goals for attending our bootcamp. Finally, you have to complete a beginner-friendly technical quiz to demonstrate your problem-solving skills and your background knowledge in tech. You'll then hear from our admissions team within 24 hours on your application outcome. Take the time to research the program thoroughly, including the curriculum, outcomes, and alumni success stories. Approach the admissions process with a positive attitude and open mind. Demonstrate your motivation and passion for learning to the admissions team. And finally, practice your technical and problem-solving skills to prepare for the interview and quiz. We believe upskilling should be accessible to all. To support this, Wagon offers a variety of different finance options to help our students pay for their bootcamp, including income share agreements, student loans, and scholarships. We also partner with a variety of trusted lenders to support with this.